Said I was 22. Money is tight, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm on a search to find out my road to riches. Shit I cook in the kitchen or wait and drink for all my wishes.
That's how we starting off the video.
I want people to look at me like I'm a king, but not the ruler.
No, I got him tripping. We got Mike out here today. The extraterrestrial being.
That way.
Sadiq Valley, SV from CLT.
That's his IG, by the way. Go ahead and give my man a follow. I see him on YouTube. You can see him on IG too.
We out here trying to get cows.
If it's something we need, why do we have to pay fees? Those are questions I ask myself. Somebody answer them, please. They told me it's get down or lay down. But I'm down on my knees praying that one day that the Lord bless me. So to get down or lay down, but I'm down on my knees praying that.
What's the plans today for the Stang?
Keeping my head up.
We're going anti-Dorothy. Raymond just pulled up. So we got some wiper blades. We're going to change the oil. And then the main event, we're going to change that wheel color back. Change that wheel color back. What are you doing, bro? You already met Swing. Kyle. Took him 15 minutes to get the jack under his car. Hashtag static. Got the car jacked up now. Drippy. The mama got half a day. When the last time you changed it?
You can look at the oil and that'll tell you.
Is that a LS? You know what you're looking at, bro?
Said I was 22. Money
Don't
is tight,
forget this is
what
going
I'm
on
gonna
YouTube.
do. I'm on a search to find
Please
out
know what you're
my road
talking
to
about.
riches.
Please know what you're talking about.
Fuck it, I wash the dishes. A clean plate. Some days
We're gonna
I
nigga
daydream
rig it.
because I just want to steak. I mean, now I get fed.
What's your skin?
I just want to find the thing.
Well, you say it.
People to look at
all right.
like I'm a king, but not to roll up. Big dreams in my head. You can call me Martin Luther, but people
You look like the dude off the cover of the Hawaiian Punch drink.
quick shooters, but I dodged the bullet.
I'm gonna lay my head on here.
Down like my man Supreme, he told me life would get better, dog. You stick with the dream. I said it's been some hard weeks, and it's getting even harder when money takes
Kyle,
you off your feet, so you
Kyle,
can make
this is
college.
hot.
And it never really
Still
dawned on
warm,
me,
bro.
why do we pay for knowledge? If knowledge is power, but we're all free. Why do we make it through high school?
Break it where at?
Suffer defeat.
Just
If
grab
it's
it,
something we need, why do we have to pay fees? Those are questions I ask myself. Somebody answer them, please. They told me it's get down or lay down. But I'm down on my knees praying that one day that the Lord bless me. So to get down or lay down, but I'm down on my knees.
We got going on.
Yeah, I swear. 2018 is my year. I'm taking off.
You dig?
Starving, I need some food for thought. Give me
Hey,
cheese
Cal,
like
we-
it was the fast food
Yo,
for
I
my
can get on the
college.
vlog.
Money is
You
tight,
gonna
so I
be
had to
part of
come
the
out of my
vlog for me?
pocket. With barely nothing in my pocket. See, college just robbed me for what the white man says is knowledge. Somebody stop because it's my life and I only believe in college. What I work for, best believe nobody stop it. That's pop, lock, and drop it. Pop, lock, and drop it.
Show him
If you try to stop my goals, I pop a nigga with the right. Lock his jaw, drop the kid, rock a bike, fight night, it's night, night.
Fresh clothes. Where we at?
Oh, what are you talking about? What you talking about? Oh, yeah. Arrow.
We take flight. You already know. This ain't even the car we need to be looking at, so you know. We're gonna take a little journey over here. Since he ain't really introduced y'all to nothing with his own whip, go ahead, go ahead, put the air sound effect.
I got that line across my forehead, don't I? Now, this is my baby right here. I ain't really done much talking about her. 2008 Chevy Cobalt. I got it maybe, I almost wiped my hands on my do-rag, bro. I'm tripping. I think I got it maybe a year and a half, almost 2 years ago. It's pretty much stock. Shut up. It's pretty much stock. I mean, I just got the little rain guards on it. Wrapped the roof black. I got this rear window spoiler. Of course, the ISR blast lights. The headlights and tail lights. Got the black Chevy emblem.
What's your plans for this?
I'm gonna get to the plans, but everybody loves to point out the signature air fresheners. Let me see all of them.
What's the name of this scent brand? Little Trees. Y'all can endorse us if you want to.
If you want, you know.
Go ahead, send a couple trees. You know we support.
Big plans for it. Yeah, go ahead and sit in the Lamborghini. I don't mind. We got Tuner Evolution coming to Charlotte August 25th. That's the goal. So come next week, we got something big coming for the Cobalt. Make it look brand new. But
Can we get a little sneak on some information that's next, or you don't want to do that? Can I say?
I'm gonna say it. Let's see.
What's just one time, quick half a second. What's the next move? One word. First thing that pops in your mind. Let's get it.
It's great.
Oh, there we go. That's it, folks. That's all you get.
Yeah. Come on, baby.
Yo, so last night this dude was trying to tell me to sell my rims. He was like, those are expensive rims. You know you can get like $2,500 for those rims? Like, why would I give them away if you know what I'm saying, they all listen in the bag of chips, right?
Uh-huh.
Oh, because they go on like show cars and all this stuff. And I was just like, yo, stop. It's my money and I need it now.
Y'all think he know what he's doing?
I don't know what they think.
God, man. Hey, teamwork makes the dream work. Let's get it, baby. I needed a motherfucking pillow. We ain't bicking back being boo, because you know we. I got blue blood. Knocking on backwards.
Shut up. So we done got the oil change. Now come the fun part. No maserati. You know what you're doing? Low life, bro. How high? How high? When? Hurt yourself?
Yeah, that's open.
Throw the black on there. We're gonna murder it out.
What's head?
We heard you coming down the street, playboy.
Yeah.
He about to paint the wheels. Your car rear-wheel drive, right?
Yeah.
Been hanging around me too much.
No, that's camber. It's camber wear.
It's the inside
It's
wear.
camber wear.
It's smooth as hell. This one still got one.
Look. Need some
Sneaky peeky. Tell the people what you're doing. This vlog all about you today, Kai.
It is?
Your time to shine, playboy.
How fancy! You're going too fast, man. You gotta take it nice and slow, man. See what Hashtag Camber Gang.
You look mean, Kyle. You look mean, Brody.
Boy, Stang. Camber right there.
Shut up, Devin. Do know who you're talking about, idiot. Kyle, don't walk away from me. What do you think, bro? ¿Te gusta? ¿Te gusta? ¿Te gusta?
Said that was 22. Money is what I'm gonna do. On the search to find it. My older bitches. Shit out. Cook in the kitchen. Or wet and drink for all my wishes. Fuck it, I want.
But they look good, bro.
Who's that?
Some days
Huh?
I think
Who's that?
because
I don't know, some fly dude.
get fed.
Sexy buck red bone.
I want people to look at me like I'm a king. But not to roll up with dreams in my head. But people are
I don't know what you were thinking, bro.
Negro.
Is that E85?
I would do.
But I think that's gonna be a wrap for this video, y'all. Got to go catch the game. See Tennessee get this dub. Eddie.
Why do we make it through high school just to suffer defeat? If it's something we need, why do we have to pay fees? Those are questions I ask myself. Somebody answer.